Hey, I'm Elan, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a crypto wallet. So the wallet we're going to set up today is MetaMask. And if you haven't heard of MetaMask, it's a non-custodial wallet that gives us access to the Ethereum blockchain. MetaMask is one of the most popular wallets in Web3 today, so you're in good hands when you're using MetaMask. First, we're going to go to metamask.io. And once we're at this website, I'm going to go ahead and click download here. I'm using Google Chrome, so I'm going to click Install MetaMask for Chrome. This will take me to the Chrome Web Store. And here's where I can click Add to Chrome and actually add this MetaMask extension to my Chrome account. Now that I've added the MetaMask extension, if I go here to my extensions, I can see MetaMask here. I'm going to go ahead and pin MetaMask so that we can view it at all times. Now, if I click on MetaMask, it should open up another window where we can begin our wallet setup. Here, we're going to click Get Started. Because we're new to MetaMask, I'm going to go ahead and set up a new wallet. Beforehand, I talked about if I have a secret recovery phrase, which is the seed phrase we talked about earlier, you can easily log in with any interface. So that's the left option here. But because we're going to start from scratch, I'm going to click on the right option. This part is totally up to you. This is just a way for MetaMask to be able to collect user feedback. I'm going to hit I agree, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Now we're going to create a password to log into MetaMask. You want this password to be very, very secure. Don't use a password that you've used in all your other accounts. I would recommend using a password manager and generating something random and writing that down instead of coming up with something that you're likely to use in other places. So I'm going to go ahead and input a password here. Now we're going to click that we agree to the terms and create our password. The next step is to talk about security and understand what the secret recovery phrase is. I'm going to go ahead and click next, but you should definitely watch this video. All right, here's the important part, our secret recovery phrase, also known as the seed phrase for your wallet. This is what unlocks your account. And you can see here that MetaMask is even telling us, never disclose your secret recovery phrase. Anyone can take your Ether forever. This is very true. So I'm going to reveal my secret words, and that's because this is a demo video. And so this wallet will never actually be used, and don't try and send money to this wallet because everyone now can see the seed phrase. Tree, trial, social, shrimp, mosquito, there's not really any relation between these words. But these words strung together in this exact order are what is going to unlock our wallet. After you've written the seed phrase down and stored it somewhere safely, we're going to hit next. Now, in order to confirm our secret recovery phrase, we need to put the words in the exact order that we just received them in. Once we've ordered them correctly, we can move on. Great, now we passed the test and we've set up our secret recovery phrase. All right, we've officially created an Ethereum wallet. I'm going to walk through some of the components and help you understand what this interface is and what it all means. First is our account. This is our public key we talked about earlier. Anytime someone asks you to send your address, you can click up here and copy that address to your clipboard, and that is your public address. To view your private key, you can toggle over to these three dots, go to Account Details, and then click on Export Private Key. Again, I'm going to show you this for demo purposes, but you should never show this to anyone. In order to unlock and be able to reveal our private key, we have to type in our MetaMask password that we created earlier. Once you've unlocked it, you can see your private key. And if you need to copy it, you can click to copy it. Again, never disclose this key to anyone else. With the private key, people can steal assets and sign transactions on your behalf. Below here is where we'll see all the assets that we own in our wallet. To the right, you can see any previous transactions that have happened using your account. There's also ways to buy and deposit ETH, as well as send to different addresses. We're not going to go over this too much right now, though. And lastly, you can use MetaMask swap feature here. I generally don't recommend using this feature because it tends to be a lot more expensive than other exchanges. So we're not going to cover it now, but it's a way for you to exchange crypto assets. Congrats! Now you've officially set up a MetaMask wallet and you have the metaverse at your fingertips. This wallet unlocks access to everything in Web3. You can play with decentralized applications, you can buy and sell crypto, and really do anything you want to on the blockchain. A few final tips of advice. Number 1, never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. Number 2, Never share your private key with anyone. Number 3, don't connect to sites that you don't actually find trustworthy. Make sure you're only connecting your wallet to websites that you know you can trust, or that you know other people have trusted. Lastly, I just want to say, unlike with using normal applications where if I have a password and I forgot my password, I can email in and prove that I am who I say I am by sending identification or in some other way, you can't do that with MetaMask. Store this password somewhere safe, make sure that you remember it, and don't lose access to it, because if you do, there's no way to recover it. The beautiful part about this is that it means you own your keys, you own your money, there's no one in between who's managing and controlling that for you. And that's the powerful thing when it comes to Web3 and decentralization. The ownership is now in your hands, but the responsibility is also now in your hands. So keep that in mind as you're using your wallet and engaging with Web3 applications. Good luck.